Oh shit. What's up, peeps? So I'm starting today's vlog off at night because I'm about to go and take some pictures and run some people. Oh my god, my lens, hold up. My lens! But yeah, I'm about to run some people, take some pictures, so hopefully, no, it goes as planned, pretty much. And then I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow and film whatever the fuck I'm doing. I'm probably gonna be playing Valorant, so I'll probably film some of that, me playing that. And then, yeah. Dude, I'm still waiting for my damn car parts to come in. So, yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the head mount, then, yes sir, let's get to it. Charge my goddamn phone. Oh my god. And I just adjusted my clutch too. Oh shit, I need to fix that damn headband for y'all. That shit bites hella high now. Holy shit. Yeah, my clutch bites very high. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's so weird, bruh. I had to adjust it today. Oh, I just adjusted it right now, pretty much. Yeah, because fucking the other night, I was driving down the highway and I couldn't fucking press my clutch all the way down. Well, I could press it all the way down, but like, it was fucking hella loose. And I don't know why. That's what he said. But, yeah, I just adjusted it. Okay, look at this car. Look at this car, man. Now it's basically stock now, bro. Stock. My clutch pedal is what I should say. Oh my god, it's so weird, bro. Oh my god, it feels like a fucking... Oh, what am I doing? You know you're fast when you are able to race fucking motorcycles, bro. That's how I know you're fast. But yeah, I'm still waiting for my freaking hybrid parts to come in. Look at this car, holy shit. Black Friday, bro, which was like fucking what, a month ago? Almost, it was like 2 months ago. Holy shit. Yeah. I mean, I'm not really mad because like, I bought it on Black Friday when everybody bought shit. So yeah. And also, I bought my girlfriend this freaking like, what's it called? This big ass stuffed pillow. That shit hasn't came in either, bro. Said it'll come in before Christmas. That shit never came in. Fucking lied to me. But it will come in though, because yeah, it just will. Damn, that light is bright. What the hell? That's a ticket. Oh, there's the R6 boy right here. R6 boy. Sexy boy. R6 boy. Where's the other dude at? Where's all the dudes? Is he in his car? He is in his car. Oh, I hate my freaking clutch pedal right now. It fucking feels so ugly. What the fuck? It's Louis, bro. Alright, well, yeah, I'm about to go talk with the boys real quick, and then you're pick it back up. Alright, boys, we're about to go to Mexico real quick. The stunt devils are in the car. So today we're gonna be working on my little brother's DA, or the old car. Oh my god. We're gonna put a little short shifter in it for him. I'm gonna help him do it, but yeah. It's kinda, you just gotta drop the shift linkage, and then that's pretty much it. Dude, today I feel like shit, bro. I can't talk right now. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm not trying to get dirty, so I'm just gonna guide him kinda ish. Alright, so we just took out the whole shifter linkage, dropped the whole cat or the exhaust pretty much, and then yeah, now this is the new one. This is a DNA from DNA. Got it for my little brother, got it for Christmas, so putting it in for him. Yeah, it's pretty. We didn't know we needed new bushings, but yeah, this is fucking, you know, it's, dude, this shit's Sebastian Bill, bro. So like, you know, fuck you. But yeah, I'm gonna put it back on, and yeah, it's pretty simple, bro. Not gonna lie, it's pretty simple, but yep. Then we're gonna do a driving test next, so see you in a bit. So it's dark now, and we finally finished. Well, I just got done cleaning my car over here. Oh, can't see shit. Yeah, I just got done cleaning my car. About to go to Walgreens to go buy a COVID test because I feel like shit. So hopefully it's not COVID. Yeah, hopefully it's not COVID, but I'm gonna test out the shifter. I can't see it. Can you see it? Dirty still too. Goddamn, I go to those fucking Walgreens all dirty and buy a COVID test, man. Like, what the fuck is this guy, bro? But yeah. Other than that, I'm just gonna. I don't have my head mount, sadly, so I'm just gonna, you know, one hand do it, I guess. So. Up. But oh yeah, fucking we put it on earlier. We gotta take it back apart. We just took the exhaust off again. It was rubbing against the fucking heat shield. So then we gotta take it off again, and then yeah. Well, I just took off one bolt because my little brother bolted the bolt like right in the middle, and I guess like that kind of like forced the heat shield up more, so it's not scraping no more. So which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna go and see if they have the COVID test kits. My cousin said that there should be some here, so let's go and see. Hopefully I got COVID, guys. But yeah, basically it. Hold up, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back at the house. Gonna go and do my laundry, shower up, get cleaned up, and edit the video. Because, yeah, I need to get this out for you guys probably like tomorrow. So, yeah, y'all see this tomorrow. And today was tiring as fuck. Because this shit was not fun to put in, bro. This shit was not fun. Oh, you can't even fucking see it because it's too damn fucking dark. But, I mean, it was alright. It was decent. It was like, it wasn't hard, but like it was a bitch, you know, touchy car is always a bitch. But dude, it feels nice. I might just switch my brother, bro. Give him the SI. But nah, on a serious note, Parts still coming in. Gotta wait for them fucking parts from Hybrid. I'll get COVID test tomorrow. Hopefully I don't got COVID because I gotta go to work. And I have a fucking trip that I'm going on next week on Wednesday. So yeah, my fucking throat just be hurting, bro. I can't like you know, like when you scream a lot, like, and then the next day you can't talk. That's how it fucking feels. But like I wasn't even screaming though. But yeah, so that's basically it for today for the vlog. Hopefully you guys liked it. It's trying to start something new, you know, trying to pick up the GoPro every day, trying to pick up the camera every day, try to vlog. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know, comment anything, just say hi or something, you know. So yeah, deuces.